Despite a painful work of justice by an aggrieved judiciary, Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court David Maraga once again found himself on the warpath with President Uhuru Kenyatta, the CJ accusing the head of state of intentionally crippling operations within the country's justice system.
That this shortage of judges and the near paralysis of court operations has been caused by the President's refusal to swear in the 41 judges recommended by the Judicial Service Commission in July 2019 for appointment to the Court of Appeal, the Environment and Land Court, and the Employment and Labor Relations Court. The President has persisted in this refusal despite orders in 2 cases requiring him to swear those judges within 14 days.
The damage, which has further been aggravated by the coronavirus pandemic, has exposed a helpless Chief Justice who publicly admitted his frustration at failing to secure a meeting with President Kenyatta towards resolving the stalemate. Failure by the President to swear in 41 judges has left millions of litigants frustrated as their case files gather dust on court shelves.
Your Excellency, you know I have respect for you as our President, and I have told you that. You also know that I have, for a long time now, unsuccessfully sought an appointment to discuss this issue with you, leaving me with no option but to raise the matter through this public statement. It will be a dereliction of my duty if I do not raise Wanjiku's agonies in my domain.
This on the face of blatant disregard of 2 court orders compelling the President to swear in the judges. The Law Society of Kenya has described the President's refusal as akin to returning the country to the dark old days. LSK blames Attorney General Paul Kihara and Solicitor General Kenneth Ogeto for misadvising the President, saying the two risk being struck off from the LSK register.
The dereliction on the part of the President of the Republic of Kenya has 2 consequences. One, it indicates that his legal advisors, and this particular case we're talking about the Attorney General and the Solicitor General, are either giving him the wrong advice or he has refused to listen to their correct advice. It doesn't really matter what of the 2 is the case, because the position is quite clear. It is the responsibility of the President of the Republic of Kenya to uphold the rule of law and to comply with his obligations under the Constitution.
According to Maraga, the picture is grim. The current situation means the earliest the caseload can be cleared is 2022, when the country will be in election mode. 16,457 cases are pending before the Environment and Land Court, which has only 33 judges. The Court of Appeal has 15 judges, serving the entire nation with 7,315 pending cases, while the Employment and Labor Court, with only 12 judges, has a caseload of 13,187 cases as at 31st March this year.
I think there could be other forces between the 2 who are pursuing other agenda, so that they don't enable them perhaps to come together, because I know the President will listen to the Chief Justice, and I know the Chief Justice can explain himself well, and I know the President also can understand the frustration that the Judiciary and the Chief Justice is going through when we have backlog of cases, in addition by the coupled pandemic of corona.
The list you forwarded to the President, he was not to act as a rubber stamp for you, ili wewe akuwekee hawa watu, wewe upitishe tu. And if you had some powers, you could have done it yourself. What was his work ili aweze kupitisha hawa watu? He needed to know issues concerning integrity.
Apple Kamau, K24 Evening Edition.